You're like frozen on my screen.
Appa! I wish I could show you what I'm doing. Okay.
Mix the yeast in. Yeah. Mix the yeast in. And then we let it sit for a bit so that it can like bloom and everything. If you can see mine.
Oh yeah, it's not fully dissolved.
Yeah, it's fine. So you want 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm doing it slightly different from the recipe because this is how I always make it. But like the ingredients are the same. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Do you have that? I'm gonna melt it now. So yeah, just 1 tablespoon and then let it cool. Okay, my butter's melted. It just looks like that.
Okay, that's that.
That's okay. Put your melted butter in the liquid with the yeast. I can't tell what you're doing because you're frozen on my screen. Okay?
Okay.
Let's start adding the flour now. 2 cups first. I'm just gonna keep kneading my dough as you do yours. I'm like...
Okay, I'm gonna mix now.
Okay. Mine is still very sticky, so I've been keeping adding flour. Oh, did you add salt? 1 teaspoon of salt? Like mine is still quite soft. So I don't know how soft yours is. Like
mine is still... No, mine is still like... Can you see?
Okay. Fries for about 1.5 to 2 hours, depending on how like warm your place
Okay.
is. This is mine. Yours looks quite
Okay,
dry.
mine doesn't look as soft as yours.
This is how mine looks.
Oh my god, it's so pretty already. I maybe put too much
Oil?
It's like covering the bottom.
I just like move it so that it's covering the sides as well. Your dough doesn't stick and it's easy to get out later. So this is how I've done mine. I don't know, can you see that better? You can see how small my workplace is. It's fine.
Oh my god, it's so soft.
Okay, so I'm gonna put baking soda in here. Yeah, you have to be careful with adding it because it will bubble and you don't want it to overflow. Skills to do this. Wow.
So double knot and then bring it.
Yeah. Like mine doesn't look very good.
My pretzel's ready to be boiled.